Welcome to the Web Application Vulnerability Scanning with this powerful tool AppSpider provided by Rapid7 organization. This tool performs vulnerability scanning of web applications using various plugins and the vulnerability database. So simply I will go through the scanning of web applications using a test site. This application and this tool is not freely available over the internet. If you have a corporate email ID, you can just request a evaluation for the 14 days. This is really a fantastic tool that I like most of the time and going through the vulnerability assessment of web applications, because it finds a lot more information on vulnerabilities and reports in a really precise manner that I like it the most. Okay, so let's start and scan the test site for the web applications vulnerability. Simply type the name, put the IP address or the test site that you have, click next. These are the scan policies that you can make configure according to your needs and according to your vulnerability assessment. You can select all and modify all one by one. In this video lesson, I will simply scan with the by default configuration of this tool. That is really a best approach to scan a web application vulnerability. If you want, you can manually go through all the tabs on the left pane and check all these things and the features of this tool, what it supports and what are the features of this tool. As you can see, this supports all the vulnerabilities associated with the web applications and the server related. In HTML format. What the feature I like most about this tool is that it creates reports in really a realistic way and convenient way, so that anyone with a little knowledge about the web application security and development and the vulnerability management can read this report and make a decision. So simply I will analyze this report, because this provides really a useful information about the target and the scanning results that it has performed. So from here you can move one by one and navigate to each one and the vulnerability page, and from all the scan performed by this tool in simply a point and click manner. So as you can see, this is the vulnerability by risk. This provides in the graphical format, and this is the total vulnerability reports, total of 128, in which application and database related vulnerability is 124 and the server administrator related issue is 4. This also provides compliance related scans and also performs to check that if the target system and the target web applications is following the standards and the compliance like HIPAA, PCI DSS and FISMA, and also performs the testing of WASP top 10 vulnerabilities that the target may consist. As you can see, this is and with application developers, like there is a business logic abuse with 1, and there is a content type character set in the headers of 96. And similarly, there are a lot more vulnerabilities that it have found till now, and with a simple scan to the test site, and there are a lot more information that it provides also to mitigate the risk and what was the root cause for that vulnerability, and that standards does not meet the regulations and compliance. So similarly, going through the analysis of details, you can check one by one and link by link that it have performed and present it in risk wise, like low, medium and high. So going through the medium level of vulnerability, it have presented that the credentials over unencrypted channel has been passed. Means there is no any SSL or TLS certificates has been found over the target system that have been performed and scanned for the vulnerability scanning. So this is the credentials sent over HTTP, that is not HTTPS, and there is the CWE with a number that you can find more information about it. And this is also the and you can be sure about the tool and the results that it have generated, that it is following all the standards and the vulnerability management to find and mitigate the risk. It also provides a way and the port to mitigate the risk that it have found till now.